Welcome back. Today, my daughter's FabFitFun box came. Yay! She totally lets me open it, and I love doing it. So let's see what came. It's humongous. I don't even know what she ordered, or what she gets. Ooh! Look how cute! A popsicle box. All right. And ooh, this looks like a tote. Somersault. I hope she doesn't mind. I'm going to open it. Oh my goodness. It feels like it's neoprene. And ooh. Oh, and it has a snap. How cool. It has a little pocket. It's a perfect beach tote or pool tote. Love it. That's cool. Okay. Let's see what came in here. Feels heavy. Ooh. Her FabFitFun stickers. Those are cool. 15% off coupon. I'll leave you a link to get your own box in the description. The FabFitFun magazine. Ooh, so exciting. Let's see here. Ooh, a KO body scrubber. Look at that. Awesome. Moo leave-in conditioner. Moo roo. So you leave this in. Our leave-in conditioner with moo butter reduces frizz and treats split ends, leaving hair strands stronger and healthier. I could use some of that for sure. Yeah, definitely. Okay, what else we got here? Ooh, IGK Legendary Dream Hair Conditioner. Ooh, with shea butter, red sea algae. Ooh. Oops. So excited I'm dropping it. Okay. What is this? Oh, I know she loves things that are black and white. It's a Soar Tech Elevated Desk Pad. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. That's cool, a desk pad. I'm gonna have to fight her for this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's beautiful. I love it. I just might have to get my own fun fit fab box so I can be fabulous like she is. Lasting Smiles, Sea Salt and Citrus, Aromatherapy. It's a candle. I have to see this. Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't tell her this came. Yum. our secret. All right, next, she got some Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo to go with the conditioner. So it's a set. Awesome. And what is this? Oh, wow. A New Balance ab wheel. That's pretty cool. She's gonna get to use this New Balance ab wheel. I'll make sure she gets that. And check it out. Look how beautiful. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my goodness. I think it's a towel. Look at that. Yeah, I think it's a towel. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, what a lucky girl. Get your own box. Check the links in the description below, and you too can be fun, fabulous, and fit. Or is it fabulous, fun, and fit? Fab, fit, fun? You can be fab, fit, fun too. Yes. Bye. Welcome back. It's time. My daughter's fun Fab Fit box came in again, and she totally lets me open it.
Fab, fit, fun. Fabulous, fit, fun.
Welcome back. My daughter's Fabulous Fit Fun box came today, and